So finally, dumating na ang Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus dito sa aking table and I received a promotional box from Infinix. Thank you nga pala Infinix Philippines for sending me this one to unbox. And there's a lot of good stuff dito sa Infinix 40 Pro Plus 5G na gusto natin i-unveil dito sa inyo. But first, unboxing and first impression. So here's the promotional box. Tignan natin. Okay, so sound by JBL Infinix. Sa natin. Okay, so inside we have the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G na phone itself. And of course, we have a collaboration with JBL. So meron tayong magandang Bluetooth speaker here from JBL. And yeah, I believe this is a water resistant kasi may mga water ripples dito. So we're not going to further unbox it, but rather itong main course natin, which is Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. So this is it, Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. So here are some of the specs that you should expect. There's two stuff in here, dalawang box na. So push muna natin isa. So we're taking out the phone proper itself. And there's another one, which is the wireless charger. Previously, we've seen a wireless charging pad sa Note 30 VIP. And this time around, magnetic na siya. So here are some of the specs. Sa natin. So ganito yung itsura niya. So pwede mo siya idikit sa likod ng yung phone. This is a magnet-based na pala, by the way. So ito na mismo yung box na Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. And buksan muna natin siya, no? Tingnan natin what are the stuff inside. And it features a all-round fast charger 2.0. Tingnan natin later. So we have a SIM injector tool, warranty card. Meron pa siyang tempered glass na kit, to. Meron din siyang stickers dito. So ito yung case niya, which looks good. And meron siyang magnet-based dito. So this is the packaging ng Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. So, tanggalin natin. So you'll see a really nice camera module dito sa likod, which is not quite thick if you take a look at it. Then meron siya faux leather finish dito sa likod, which feels great sa aking kamay. On top, we can see sound by JBL. And we have your loudspeaker dito, IR, and of course, a noise cancelling mic. On this side, it's pretty clean. Sa ilalim, we have your SIM tray, your microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, your loudspeaker. On the other side, you have your power button and volume rocker. So kung sinundot mo siya, yung kanyang SIM tray, makita mo ang dalawang 5G SIM. Now, inside, we have a very fast 100 watts charger, which is probably one of the first at this price point. And pinagmamalaki ni Infinix na this is priced at somewhere below 15,000 pesos. We have a C-to-C cable. Hindi na A-to-C to, guys. Now, if you slap yung kanyang case dito sa likod, it looks something like this. And pag nilagay mo kanyang wireless charger dito is maging magnet siya. Hindi siya mahuhulog. Basta-basta, ayan, makapit siya, guys. Which is pretty nice. At this price point, it's pretty nice to say na si Infinix was able to pack in something like this one para ma-experience mo wireless charging, no? Normally, ang wireless charging makita mo sa mga phones at flagship level, 30,000-40,000 pesos and up. But this time, Infinix brings it closer to you para ma-experience mo the goodness of wireless charging capability. Now, one other things na ma-expect dito sa phone na ito, it's really a nice phone. Out of my first impression, curved screen, maganda kanyang AMOLED display. I would say very smooth ang kanyang transition. And this one has a 108MP camera. So taking some quick shots, you'll see some really nice and sharp photos dito, be it indoor, outdoor. I'll show you more pagdating sa aking full review nito phone na ito. Now, using front-facing camera is also nice and decent. And on my first impression trying these games, okay naman, playable naman sila. Pero mapapakita ko sa inyo on my full review. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo once na nilabas ko na full review ng Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.